Hey guys, this is Justin with Rocket City Outdoors. Today I'm going to talk to you about our Phoenix line of battery switch brackets. Now, this line is basically only one bracket. I only make the double bracket right now, but to be truthful, I love Phoenix boats, but they are the biggest pain in the butt to install one of these brackets. The main reason behind this is the gas lift strut for your battery compartment lid is located in that back corner of the compartment. So this bracket needs to slide in between that bracket and your fiberglass lip. So you're going to need to remove that bracket. We're going to give you some extra long bolts and nuts. You're going to slide this in, put that back in, clamp it down, and then install. You can just use self-tapping screws here to secure it, or you can use a bolt and a nut. It's really your choice. If you got the option to use a bolt and a nut through here and a nut on the backside, obviously I would do that. But regardless, this is our Phoenix bracket. It does have this cutout here in order to allow that gas strut to operate freely without interference. If you're looking to add a Flowrite remote drain plug control to your Phoenix, we do make an adapter, so you can have, say, your battery switch here, and then you can use this adapter, put it on the back side, mount it, and it'll allow the Flowrite remote drain plug control to mount right here, so you can have those side by side. That was my first install on a Phoenix for a customer. I'll show some pictures now. I'll also show some pictures on what I meant by, having to remove the gas strut bracket and sliding your Rocket City Outdoors bracket in between it and the fiberglass and reinstalling those screws. So I love the Phoenix boats, but by far most of my brackets are super easy and simple to install, but this one's the most convoluted. But it's not bad at all. Anybody with a little mechanical sense can knock it out of the park. Easy peasy. But anyway, thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and the little notification bell.